In this lesson, we are going to explore some new options in SOLIDWORKS 2015 for the width mate. On the screen, we have an assembly of a shaft and bushing. And looking at the Feature Manager design tree, we see at this time only a concentric mate exists between the two parts. Let's go into mates. We'll go down to Advanced Mates and select the width mate. For the width, I will select the outer faces of the shaft, and for the tab, I'll select the outer faces of the bushing. Scrolling down the Property Manager, you see under Width Mate, we now have new options in SOLIDWORKS 2015 for the constraint: centered, free, dimension, and percent. Centered is the only option we had before SOLIDWORKS 2015. It would center the part in between the width faces. In this example, in between the two outer faces of the shaft. Let's try the next option, which is free. Close out of the width mate. And the free width mate allows the part to freely move between the outer faces of the shaft. Let's edit the width mate and change it from free to the next option of dimension. I am going to key in a dimension of 100 millimeters. Now that 100 millimeters is from the arrow, from this end of the shaft. Now if you want it to be from the other end, you can simply click the arrow or click Flip Dimension in the Property Manager. The last option is percent, which is very similar to dimension, but it's based on a percentage. I'll type in 25%. Once again, the 25% is from the arrow. That's 25% of the overall length of the shaft. If we would like 25% from the opposite end of the shaft, I'll select the arrow and you see it updates on the screen.